All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. We are at possibly our last vendor show at the Mabee farm, and we've been doing this for quite a number of years. We'll see how it goes, though. I'm just going to quickly walk through and give you an idea of it's. And this craft show hasn't begun yet, by the way. It's a very well attended event, and two of our children were born in that house there called the Mabee house. They're officially registered in the history archives. And here is our booth. This is a little tray. These are shaloms, that means hello, goodbye, and peace. These are Hanukkah candles and some random dragons. And these are bandsaw boxes of sorts. And the lovely one makes all of these wonderful things. Ma'am, would you like to buy all of our stuff?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright, so let's come over this side, and we have what I call pop and drops here. Utility boxes down here. Hello, the other part of SC Custom Designs.
Hi.
These are basically units for putting your beverages in. This is a stand-up desk that I made many years ago, so that's going in for a very good price. These are the bandsaw boxes that take a lot more skill and a lot more time, as you might well imagine. One moment, please. Okay, and all of these lovely things. New addition are these books that are cut out to be a thing. So cool. That's a duck hearts.
Hi, how are you? I feel like I'm missing something. Yes. Thank you.